we rio ko de rio na de de ticket to bo wa rio wa omo nu be BSF bo we ju na be ko ke bi ju na me na mie wa se mie wa fa e na mie money ya gbe na we right up no ke ko a we nemesis mama because you know why na ke fredo ko ijo mo o de babia fredo piani fredo ko ni o ige ko ni mamu egbagbo be no ya wu or the family of my like or ti decide where my son no go marry you.
Etu we guanania, wo cocaine. But all that we amount you know.
Once in a while, we not do have vian. You give them the fatherly role and the discipline your river. O ma understand? Also, the na dey gwinya so guanana no vimole like because everything here take me run. There we have a bandit desperate child. Usunya, imamu you know, usunya iya wagbera onya gbise because why they need money.
Oh, it's you.
Yes, as in some of them. Then on in our river, in terms of because very mommy guanbagger, mommy leader boy, or since we are music, there is nothing bad in music. But which kind of music you want to do? Is it Afro hip hop? The Afro hip hop, you know, we can with them or well, and then I get damn okay, dog get busy. At least we have featured Nigeria top stars, because like the mother of featured Two-Face in Abi, a feature Two-Face. So how they get maybe have a feature in Rema or have feature Bati Otimana this Usama Boys. Have a feature in Shali Poppy. Now they feature in Nico at least say basic Kema. Omar Asade Emiya. Now they feature is that because I believe the mother has connection and also money. But they only have the own know Afro hip hop. They give a map and Niger the penani. It is very easy. Learn from your mom. Have an instrument in you can use it without even paying for it. You understand? So it is as very simple. Get your own show. You go your own. Maybe within 1 year. You will go key home the instrument where you can't as it continue. Go team influence akaba. You see, the children are doing well for themselves. All from what their father told them or taught them. So this is why I say teach your children properly. If not, I will get disgrace way. And you got disgrace way. Now this social media where they see everything. So it's a shame though, but I don't know. But you know, he commend Okuna for trying their best to make sure that a monarch girl do my bogia say the fit do away, but you know, a monkey is a monkey, a pig is a pig. No matter what you carry, or you do,
Thank you so much, my brother. Next. Mama, I greet you, Mama. Laloke, Mama boy. Oh, Mama. I don't know.
You salubari mame. Na la wo. O we buy we ko. Alo we yo, alo we ne. O hani we no ya yin je. Nda iju pese ni jiya unia. Ije so ma we ne e mo so. O wi o kana na la dia na we na. Ona do aru wi ije ra o da finje. Ogbije yesi. E o mo no ni pe. Wa ga mo ye trade for. Next time no we me of you know. Abia yo we working ke destiny ele. Supa e mata aro wa giata. We no wo kan ya yin je o ya yin yo da finje. If not, e kino yiri, kino kan yo we be atige le ba be siva. Imagine o kan we so go 26 o kan ya say 26 years o pe nwe dani. O kan ni
all seven.
When you hear who say where me rien, ou me gade, on a mo kono. Oni ije mu ye wo amomo omo na we mo ba bo. O ma understand me. So we are only live another. We no ya in je, no matter what. Ije gele wa mu ti ani ya ma. Abi liva we siva. When ije mu ti ani ase oye ya mo me o go dan ya do pon iye se u da we ye won do iye ti won do o ya bi ya yen no bi o kan vi bi e ki be alawa ai to bi na okay we na mi na esta o ma mo do na o na do we a wo na do we o bi o kan na so we yi we mai gwa lo do pa won me we na wa kale ki ale le ya o bi e be mo to ni o mo gbe no we Wori ogu bi okana bo. Ete esta wa modunia ona bizu bibi ma understand me oh ye mudia ni we na mudia mama. So he should go and beg his mother and Esther herself has to a pepe blue not discipline money and we are having doing our bueno I'm making one more like no here I mean your plan here away so I will be on our doing your way yeah boy so we distance bueno make sure where emi ekenu ti fere gbe no na wa do saka no na do zuwa office bani up o ma understand me we not to boy at least the next 3-4 years we not to boy bi na ni gbe no gba sa na ni gbe da wu nene de ti benu we me go ni e ri a no we o ma mo yo kan o ma mo agbon ya mu di aya ho o ma understand so long we wu ne we yo kan aye oyezu ye yo boy gbaza na nigbe be wase ni no money we koko omo no ye ki ai bi obi o kan ya we na mo pambo oni ye se no me kia oni se no we amo to bi o money no wa bi ni we re easy baby food re is anything de baby mama gini ne o bu kan dan negui ma oni ti e bono kan o ni no mo na ma understand me e baby mama ge do ro wa ki kini ni je we yen ge yo viteve je no dio masho oyibi o mo je no dio ni o mo dio ni I don't know ni aro wa tami e we ni apa o no gba o ye no gba o baby mama unda set mo to alata ma understand me oni me wa imero ade o we a take careful wa ri kin aladi a wi je o da iri ari ma isagi dan wa ri ani gbe o ri bi kana gbe kate do pe ara ma de ne mana udo e ma we ma won nda no ke gbe ni o ma gba lazi iwo ya no mo mo ni ameri no ya o ya bi mu ije ma bi mu i ma ke no na mu awo bira isagi ra ira wa won kan le wo ya ira ni o ya gba le mi da na ya bi eyin gbere o da ira ni e de ma yo mu bi kani yo vi awon ya da we ma understand me demi ro erogi no no amuko de o ka won pu kankan ne ede wa bi pu kankan wa bi eyo obo ede gbe drop pu ni o wa won no 100 divide no make na owo ari no owo ara na owo ma be da o ye do we do me ne o to ya agmo era ma ebi ama mo kan go ya mi
we ti gwera gun we ti gwera ya gun
ebi o ye do ma ni we do ma nyun yin we dana ese bo ni me lo ba
la wo la it might be me la
see je witness
so
please
You know him or too much in work.
agwana yi ese be we ki don't we had time too much in work but one na mo e no ko mo e pe di
salubua
wa mu
next so anybody no ye mota no ye gun mama we ma gun
at the age of 6 years. Ebony meje o waje. Omo ni na do nwa, ona do agbe ball